If you're looking for a weed and grass killer alternative to what's currently on the market today, consider Bonide's new KleenUP High-Efficiency Weed and Grass Killer Concentrate. This fast-acting product contains glufosinate, which treats 3 times more area than the leading brand of weed and grass killer. This lower-priced alternative kills over 200 unwanted weeds and grasses on contact, roots and all. Visible results occur within hours of application. Use around trees, shrubs, gardens, in and around sidewalks, driveways, patios, and more. You can reseed treated areas in as little as 4 days. For annual weed control, mix 3 to 6 fluid ounces per gallon of water, and for woody plants, vines, and brush, increase the amount to 6 to 8 ounces per gallon and apply the mixture over 1,000 square feet using a tank-type sprayer. Be sure to only spray the plant foliage that you want killed. Apply on warm days when the wind is calm and the sun is bright for best results. Once sprayed onto the unwanted weeds and grasses, this product is rainproof after 4 hours. Bonide's new KleenUP High-Efficiency Weed and Grass Killer offers the homeowner an economical, highly effective alternative choice for unwanted weed and grass control on a wide variety of sites. Lawn and garden pest solutions from Bonide, trusted since 1926.